Paolo Avellino may nakakakilig na reaksyon sa mensahe sa kanya ni Kim Chiu. Hindi na talaga mapigilan pa ang Kim Pao dahil dire-diretso na nga ang kanilang magiging pagsasama. Bukod kasi sa movie na nakaabang para sa kanila, ay ilang araw naman ang nakakaraan nang matapos na ang shooting ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Aminado rin ang buong production at cast ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim na mamimiss nila ang isa't isa. Kaya naman hindi rin napigilan ni Kim Chiu at nagbigay ito ng appreciation post para sa mga taong nasa likod ng success ng teleserye nila ni Paolo Avellino. At ayon nga kay Kim, "It's been days since we finished, but I still can't believe we are now on our last episode. As I close another character I played, I always learn something or have this takeaway trait that I keep inside my pocket as I turn my back to that particular role. There were so many doubts, confusion, fear, and unsure thoughts, but all I did was trust the process. Surprisingly, everything went smoothly, and the boat sailed perfectly. I leave my fears and doubts behind. Thank you to the captain of our ship, Direk C.B. Ovidanes, for the patience and guidance throughout the series, and to my leading men at Paolo Avellino for accepting the role and having my back during those tough days." Pagbubuking pa ng direktor ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim ay talaga namang kinilig itong si Paolo sa naging pagpapasalamat sa kanya ni Kim Chiu. Ayon pa kay Direk, opposite attracts nga silang dalawa. Kim brings out the best kay Paolo Avellino. Kaya naman napakaganda ng chemistry nilang dalawa.